Hello everyone, welcome to our class. For class 2, in chapter 4, uses of computers. In this chapter, today we are going to see exercise part. Now we are going to see how computer is used in each picture. Here, this picture represents making timetable. So, where we can make timetable is computers are used to make timetable in schools. So, computers are not only used for making timetables in schools and also to maintain fee records, to maintain student records, to help in teaching, in library and to write circulars. Next, here our next image, the image shows computers are used in airports and railway stations. How it can be used? So, computers help in providing information about train, flight, timings. And also, computers used in booking tickets. Here, this is our next image. So, computers are used to keep account details in banks. And also, help us to withdraw money using an ATM. Okay, so computers are used to keep account details of their customers in banks. Here, so this image shows computers being used to launch rockets, satellites, etc. And also computers used in controlling satellites in space. Okay, next. Now we are going to see rearrange the letters. Here the letters are jumbled. So now we are going to rearrange the letters to form meaningful word. So that here I am giving the one of the hint to find out the correct word. The hint is a place where computers used for teaching. So which place computers used for teaching? So what is the place? The answer is school. School is a place where computers used for teaching. Here we are having the second jumbled letter, and also here this is the hint for finding the letter. The hint is the machine used to withdraw money. So which machine is used to withdraw money? Here the answer is ATM. ATM is the machine used to withdraw money. Here this is our next letter. The hint for this letter is the place where computers used for surgeries. So which place computers are used for surgeries? So what will be the answer? Answer is hospital. Hospitals used computers for surgeries and also maintain the patient records. Our next letter, here this is the hint. It is used to store information. So what will be the answer? Here DVD. DVD is misspelled here. Okay, DVD is used to store information. Our next letter. So here is the hint. A person who designs buildings. So who is the person to design a buildings? What will be the answer? Answer is architect. Architects are used computers for design buildings. Okay children, today in this lesson we'll learn how computers used in various places through images and rearrange the letters. Thank you.